there! Welcome back to another Diary of a D&D Newbie, Crits and Crafts, Show and Tell. Today I've got for you another dice tray that I altered a little bit, and this is the dice tray that I use at our table. I found some rhinestones at Michael's, and maybe I bought them without knowing what I'd use them for, and I painted the dice tray a shiny yellow, put a lovely turquoise felt inside, and bejeweled it in the most beautifully casual way. And then got these little things on the bottom, little rubber things. And this here is the dice tray that I use, and it makes me so happy, and it goes along with my character who likes weird little shiny things, and her parents were gem cutters and gem miners. So it's perfect. Another thing I want to try is to glue a bunch of skulls. If you saw my video on 340 tiny skulls, I want to do one where I glue a bunch of skulls to this thing, so I think I'm going to try that next. So, super cool. I am now streaming live playing Neverwinter on Twitch under the name Thundervex84. I will put a link down below. If you have requests on what you want to see that's critsy and crafty, comment below and let me know. If you want to subscribe, that would be super rad. And then you can get these videos delivered to your YouTube subscriber inbox thing every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that your session this week goes fantastic.